Hey, Vintage Beauties, we are at a classic car museum. Caden, because his... Caden, stop. Caden's so excited. We are at a classic car museum, so I am going to show you the different vehicles, and stay tuned. Look at my son in this Thunderbird, I think. I'm going to go to the back and look. It's a Cadillac. Look at my handsome son. Where you going, dude? Your house. Go get him one. Pay attention now. This is so nice. So we are at, it's a historical vehicle. Look at this one. Even this Ford looks nice. Look at Jay. Where you going, Jay? Hi, Bubba. Hi, Boogie. You going to Disneyland? Look at this, y'all. Classic. Stop, Jay. Look how good it looks. I'm going to show y'all a really beautiful race car. I'm going to stop. As you can tell, I do not know that much about cars. I just love classic, vintage everything. That's why I am Vintage Sister. It's something about these cars. They're so classic. They're so regal looking. Look how much room they have. Look how simple it is. Jaden keeps saying vroom vroom, you guys. Look how simple and elegant even the biggest, oh my baby, even the biggest car. The station wagons look good. Like everything about the car, it just looks so regal. Like we have purpose and destiny, and I don't know, I just love it. The yellow is not too flashy, unlike my husband's big old banana boat of a yellow Nova. It's a completely different type of paint. That's why I love vintage. Back in the day, they got it right. They knew how to do stuff. Look, this couple act like they in love in a movie. Y'all better get out so we can sit up in there and have our turn. But like I was saying, I love vintage classic cars. Look how they even write the name of the car on it. Like everything about it is like timeless. It's so classic. I take a classic car any day, but it got to be painted. It has to run nice. I mean, it has to really look good. But I love vintage clothes, vintage movies, sometimes vintage cars, you name it, vintage. Doesn't this car look like the old shoot 'em up, bang bang movies, like something from The Godfather or what, babe, that movie that you like watching, Hoodlum. Yes, this looks like the car from Hoodlum. Oh my God, this is that car. Like I'm waiting for Lawrence Fishburne to just get up out of the car. Now this car was super fancy. We could not touch it. We could not get in it. It was that type of car. I really enjoyed myself. I had such a good time. Next week we are going to be able to go down back there and ride in the vehicles. Now check this out. Look at this radiator, guys. Like the radiator is on the outside of the car. They trying to act like electric cars were new. This is an electric car.
Oh, I can actually drive that.
That's an electric car. Caden, stop, Boogie. Stop. He keeps doing his neck. Stop, Boogie. Stop, Jay. Caden. Stop. 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 It say please do not touch on this one?
No, the other next one.
Oh, yeah.
Mom, calm down.
Isn't that like the marriage one or something?
Yeah, like in the old days.
Jay, stop.
Booty.
Kaden, what you talking about?
Jaden keeps saying vroom vroom.
Nothing like the funeral baby.
It say don't touch, babe. What, Caden? Huh? Stop, Jaden. Wait, so where's the car pre... Oh, here's the car pre-reflector. Is this the radiator?
Yeah.
Wow. Jaden, does it... Oh, it's okay? Okay. Huh? What is that? Huh? I don't know.
How does it look like it? I think it is. Yeah. Isn't this the car that Tyrone had? That black one?
Look at this. Move, Jay.